Welcome to my channel Bright Future Education. Today I am going to say few lines about tenses. A tense is a form of verb that allows us to express time. Tenses of the verb tell us when an event or something existed or when a person did something. Past, present, and future are the three main types of tenses. Besides this, there are other subsidiary tenses. Verbs tenses are essential for speaking English correctly. Today, I am going to give a quick overview of the English tense, including when to use them and how to make them with few examples. Friends, the three main tenses we have already seen, that is present tense, past tense, and future tense. These tenses are again subdivided into four types. That is, present tense is again subdivided into indefinite, continuous, perfect, and perfect continuous. So let's see with examples. Present tense, a repeated action. For example, I play football regularly. So it says about repeated actions. Present continuous. Present continuous is express an action that is happening now. So what is going at present? Example, I am playing football. So I am playing football at present. Present perfect. An action that has happened at an unspecific time. So the specific time the action is taken, but when it is taken, it is not mentioned. I have played football. So I have played the football, but time is not mentioned here. When he has played football. Then present perfect continuous. It implies that an action that has started in the past and is continuing. The action has already started and is still continuing. Example, I have been playing football all the morning. That means he is playing the football since morning. Past tense. So past tense is also similarly divided into again four subdivisions, that is past indefinite, past continuous, past perfect, and past perfect continuous. So let's see with example and when they are used. Past tense, that is past indefinite. Past indefinite is used when an action that has ended. That means the action has already completed. Example, I played football. So he has already played football. Past continuous. So what does it show? An action that was happening when another action happened. So it refers to two actions. The first action is going on when the other action was happened. Example, I was playing football but it started to rain. The first action was going on and the second action started. Similarly, past perfect. When it is used, this is used an action that had happened before another one. So here also it seems that two sentences is needed. So one action will start before another is started. Example, I played football before it rained. So he had played the football before the rains come. Similarly, past perfect continuous. This implies that an action that had been happening before another action. That means the action had started before another action was to started. Example, I had been playing before it rained. That means he had been playing the football before it has started raining. Similarly, we see future tense, which is again divided into 4 subsidiary parts, that is future indefinite, future continuous, future perfect, future past perfect continuous. So future indefinite, what it says, a plan for a future action, that for the future he is going to have an action. Example, I will play football tomorrow morning. So he have a certain plan for the future. Future continuous. This says that a future action that will happen for a length of time. So in future this is going to happen for a certain period of time. Example, I will be playing football on Saturday. Similarly, future perfect. An action that will finish before another future action. Here also it relates to the 2 sentences about 2 actions. That is, for example, I will play football before it rains. So he is going to play the football before the rain starts. Similarly, future tense. Future tense, last one is future perfect continuous. What does it imply? An action that happened over time before another future action. So, example, I will have been playing football before it rained. So we have seen that there are 3 main tenses, and which again these are subdivided into 4 types. So here I am going to provide a chart which will help you to have good knowledge about the tenses. I have given a simple examples, and if you by heart this, you will certainly able to speak English correctly. For example, present simple. Example is I study English. So present continuous. I am studying English. Present perfect. I have studied English. Similarly, present perfect continuous. I have been studying English. Again, if we see here, past simple. I studied English yesterday. Then past continuous. Example, I was studying English. Past perfect. I had studied English. Then past perfect continuous. I had been studying English. Future simple. I will study English. Future continuous. I will be studying English. Future perfect. I will have studied English. Future perfect continuous. I will have been studying English. So we see here, these examples will help you all to speak English correctly if you study this example. So this is all for today. Thank you all. Bye.